Alright, I'm going to start off by showing you the power unit, Bridgeworks. It's a 20 amp pure DC power. We are pulling about 18 volts and only using about 1 3/4 amp. Today I'm running the Bachmann consolidation with a Barry's Big Trains conversion. Pulling a freight and passenger mix, and I'll show you the layout. I just got done cleaning the entire road. I haven't been running trains for approximately 3 weeks, maybe a little less, a little more. It's because of the weather, and we've had a lot of wind. Therefore the track was full of debris, rocks, twigs, insects, things like that. I also had to clean off a lot of rat piss and rabbit piss and things over on the other side. I'll show you that shortly. I have a storage tunnel that I use to keep the trains in the evening, and the rats had a heyday. That's what happens when I leave it alone for just a few weeks. The weather had a lot to do with it. Running mostly LGB and a USA reefer in there as well. See if I can come back and get the tunnel. I'm going to be blasting out of the tunnel here in a minute. That's an Aristocraft Tender in the back. The original Tender was destroyed by an accident that occurred a few years ago. I still have it, but it's not usable. So the Aristocraft Tender works. I had to make a few modifications. For all you rivet counters out there, it is a 1/29 scale Tender as opposed to a 1/20th scale locomotive, but it still works. The golden G scale rule is if it looks good from 10 feet, then it is good. Let's check out the town of Ghostrock. Things have changed slightly. The weather has been... This is an iron building, so it's kind of, bulletproof, but the rest of the stuff is pretty much plastic and wood. It is a ghost town. There's nobody around. Station. Yeah. Yeah, it's been closed a while. You can see that the weather and the natural elements have taken its toll. Again, these buildings were constructed by me and modified by me to give it a abandoned look. This barn has seen a better day. This is an Aristocraft barn, mainly plastic. The roof is coming apart. That's going to have to be repaired one day. And an old model power G scale building. All right. Indian adobe compound there for the Indians, and an abandoned factory, formerly Ralston Purina, as you can see by the emblem. I'll walk over. I'm not going to pause the camera. I'm just going to walk over and give you a glimpse of the storage tunnel. The lids are open, and the wooden lids drop down in the evening and pretty much keep the rain and the wind off of it, but it doesn't prevent the rats and the animals from getting in there because it's just not closed up all the way. There are crevices that small critters can get through. Let me share another farm animal with you. We've got some chickens. Here they are. Hey guys. What's happening, guys? Yeah. Bark, 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 bark. Bark. Bark, 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 bark. Uh-oh. Who are they? Who are those guys? Heckle and Jekyll? Hey, it's Heckle and Jekyll coming out for a little snack. Come on out. Yeah. What are you afraid of? Huh? Come on out. Join your friends. Yeah. Alright. Yes, we keep chickens in town here. They're being kept in a 10x10 dog run, and I applied some shade cloth to the top. So, let's see it. Yeah, that provides a lot of, shade here in the desert. It gets quite hot. The automatic drip system, as you can see, 1 drop of water per second pretty much keeps the water moving, keeps it cool and fresh. Okay guys, I'll see ya. We're gonna go chase the train. See if we can get a glimpse of it coming around a bend here. Yeah. Dover caboose, or is it drover? I can't quite remember. The bridge you see is a 15-foot aluminum bridge. It spans the small little driveway that goes into the field here. I think I have about 400 feet of track. Could be a little less. I did take out a circle years ago, down at the end. It was just too far away. I couldn't keep an eye on the train, and I had some electrical conductivity problems, and I just don't want to go through the wiring process and things like that, so I abandoned that end of the track and just connected it. I guess I made it about 50 or 60 feet shorter. Let's check it out. This small wall here keeps the small rocks from coming off the hill down onto the track. But over here, I haven't built anything. I just keep having to sweep it up, you know, because eventually a lot of the birds, the pigeons and rabbits and whatever animals come, it could be coyotes, who knows, they kind of kick the rocks down onto the track because they like to climb up the hill. Yeah, they climb the hill up there and like to find food and water. Here's the circular canyon. Let's get a glimpse of it coming on down the line here. Train slows down a bit on the curve, as it should do. There's observation table. Heading for the back of the tunnel. And the bridge is in the distance. I think I can zoom in and get a good shot of it. Yeah. Well, I think that's enough. One more shot of the bench out here. I sit out here on the bench sometimes and watch the train take the circle. Wait, what's that? I see something. What is that? Must have ran away. Could have been a cottontail. I'll just kind of walk you through the edges here. All right. Couple of bridges made of PVC, a little bit warped. Another bridge over here made of PVC. A little warped from the sun. All right. I'll show you a little village I've got here too on the side of the hill. Every once in a while I'll find a metal building or a styrofoam building close to scale, and I just put them all together and give it a Jerome, Arizona effect. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and sayonara for now from the Ghostrock and Western Outdoor G-Scale Railroad.